idli is a delicious variation of regular idlis where you add spicy masala mixture while making idlis. I am using potato masala for stuffing, but you can change it according to your own taste. It's an excellent choice for light, healthy breakfast and loved by everyone. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Water as needed, 3 cups rice, 1 cup split black lentil, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon fruit salt. And for masala mixture we need 1 cup boiled and diced potatoes, half cup chopped tomatoes, half cup chopped onion, quarter cup boiled green peas, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon pav bhaji masala. First wash and soak rice, lentil and fenugreek seeds for 5 to 6 hours. I have already soaked all of them. Now grind the rice by adding enough water to get this consistency. Similarly, grind lentil and fenugreek seeds together with enough water. Paste should look like this. Now add rice and lentil paste together in a big bowl. Add salt and mix them well. Once they are well blended, mixture should be of thick pouring consistency like this. Now let's make masala for stuffing. First heat oil in a pan at medium heat. When it's hot, add mustard seeds. And when they start crackling, add onions. Now mix them well and cook onions on medium heat for around 1 to 2 minutes till they become little brown. Now add tomatoes, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, pav bhaji masala, and again mix them well. Now cover the pan and let it cook on medium heat for around 2 minutes till tomatoes are cooked and become soft. Now let's check the tomatoes. They look cooked now, so add green peas and saute for a minute. Now add potatoes and mash them finely with fork, or you can also use already mashed potatoes. Now potatoes are mashed, so mix them well with tomato masala. If you feel they are dry, then add a little bit of water. Around 2 tablespoons water is good enough. And mix for 2 minutes on medium heat till tomato masala blends well with potatoes. Now our masala is ready, so cover it and switch off the heat. We will use this masala later in the recipe to fill in idlis. So let's start preparation for cooking the idlis. First grease all idli plates with oil like this. Side by side add water in a pressure cooker and put on medium heat. Make sure to use just enough water so that it does not touch lowest idli plate. Now transfer 2 cups of batter in a separate bowl, which is enough for 1 batch of idli stand. Add 1 teaspoon of fruit salt and mix for a minute till it's fluffed up. Remember to add fruit salt just before you are going to cook, else idlis will not be fluffy. Now pour batter to all idli molds like this. Make sure to fill them half to keep some space to add masala. Now add half tablespoon of masala and again cover it with idli batter so that it completely covers the masala. Similarly, fill all idli stand molds like this. Now we are ready to put idli stand in pressure cooker. Once cooker water gets a boil, place idli stand and cover it with lid without whistle and cook for 15 minutes on medium-high heat. After 15 minutes, switch off the heat and verify if idlis are cooked by poking a toothpick. If it comes clean like this, it means idlis are perfectly cooked. Take out idli stand and let idlis cool for 5 minutes. Now you can remove them from mold with the help of knife. Our soft, yummylicious and spongy stuffed idlis are ready to taste. They are usually served with sambar, rasam, coconut or peanut chutney, but you can also eat as it is as they have potato masala stuffing. Kids love them, so you can also pack it for their lunchbox. So don't forget to try and enjoy this healthy breakfast at home.